Having your own online ordering system is a huge step for any restaurant, but just having it isn't enough to really drive growth. The truly successful restaurants aren't just accepting orders, they're understanding them. They know exactly where those online orders are coming from. Was it that Instagram ad, an email campaign, or a Google search? By setting up proper tracking and attribution, you get this invaluable insight. It's about being data-driven. You can actually see the return on investment from every single marketing effort, whether it's a paid ad or an organic social media post. This clear data helps you double down on what's genuinely working, quickly cut what isn't, and truly optimize your marketing budget to bring in more profitable direct orders. We help restaurants at Rumble Digital Marketing not just get online, but get smart about their online sales, ensuring every marketing dollar contributes to filling your kitchen with orders.